Hey, what's up guys? I got a new product for the car. It's floor mats from Lasfit liners, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good quality. I like it. So let's check this product out. So that's the product right there. I just got it delivered. So when you first get it, you want to take it out from the box and let it sit for maybe a day or two after opening it from the package, because it gets folded. Mine's been sitting out for a minute, so you see how this crease is right here? You can just bend it back, bend it out, and it should be flattened out. But so my floor mats are for the 2022 Honda Civic, and some of the trim models, the sport model, come with the USB, and you can see this little line right here. If your model is the sports or it has a USB in the back, you cut this along the line to make it fit. They use the advanced 3D laser scanning equipment to measure the accurate dimensions and the precision contour of your vehicle, and it'll guarantee the maximum protection for the carpet, covering more than the carpet. And it has a plug hole and anti-shift lines on the back to prevent your feet from slipping. It's really good quality. Look at that. You'll find it easier to keep your car clean than ever before. They use the TPE materials to make sure it's 100% waterproof and no smell at all. Its textures allows it to capture the mud and debris easily. Just rinse it with water and then dry it with a cloth to keep it clean. Their budget is super friendly. The prices for the first and second row is more acceptable than competitors. So it's really good stuff, guys. They don't just have it for my model, they have it for other car models. So go check out the website and go see if they have your model, and I'll have a discount code, and you just enter this discount code at the checkout, and let's check this out, see how it looks. Compared to this, covers more. It'll catch all your spills, especially with the kids in the car too. That helped me out a lot. Still grippy. Compared to just the floor mats in the rear, it's just covering the foot area. With Lasfit, it covers more. Plus, right here, it covers a lot more. Look at that, it's so perfect. It gets on the walls really tight, so if the kids spill something, it's staying on the mat. And this part is real nice. I like how it connects. More coverage than the regular floor mats, all the way through. That is nice, real nice. There's a footrest, covers all the way up there. Locked in. It's nice. Same with this one. It's like a bowl. All over the wall. It's good. covered really good. It's not sliding anywhere, going anywhere. It's nice.